Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my classic teacher planner that I've turned into a wellness planner, and this is from the box kit that includes, I believe it's like the Be Good to Yourself sticker book, so that's what it's based on. And what I decided to do was actually take the remaining pages for August from the Rongrong fitness planner, and that's what I will be using for the remainder of August in my fitness planner. All right, let's get started. So I take the pages from the Rongrong fitness planner and glue them onto that last page of the the teacher planner, and then I add the remaining pages from August into this planner. And then I white out the days of the week and use the journaling sticker book for the numbers, and then just write in the days of the week myself. I like the way that it looks. It's cute. So now that I've gone in and changed the dates and all of that, I'm now going to go into the Cool to Be Kind sticker book. This is one of the new ones that I got in my squad box. So I'm really excited to be able to use it. I'm just going to white this out here. And I apologize if I'm not my usual perky, peppy self today. I am taking things slowly. But to tell you the honest truth, I needed a mental health day yesterday. Like, took the day off work, and I just needed a day where I wasn't caring about anything. So today I am slowly getting back into planning, and I wanted to show that as well. Planning is something that really, really makes me happy, and I didn't want to just stop doing it. So, okay. I think I'm gonna just take some of the florals that are in here. Like, I love that. But I also want to use some of the quotes that are in here that are super nice. Yeah, I can feel it actually even while I'm doing this plan with me, is that there's still a little bit of anxiety in there, but I'm trying my best to just do things that I love to do, which is plan and actually film these plan with me. So I feel like that one step at a time sticker is going to be great, or even one day at a time. So this top part here where it says today, it's just, I don't really use that for anything functional. So that's where I'm going to be able to do a lot of decorating. So I'm going to add some more florals this way. And I never thought I would really like this sticker book too much, but it is really cute. And I mean, I'm gonna put some of these down because for me it's about being creative and getting back into the creative part. Do things that fill your cup. I love that. So why not? Let's see which one. I like this cup. And then I'm gonna add some more florals. Don't know if I necessarily want to do a rainbow spread, but let's see, let's add a couple more florals in here. Now I'm gonna put this kind of overlapping there because I'm also gonna put a box there. That's where my weigh-in for the week is. I don't even know why. I think I'm still gonna weigh in, even though my eating has been off really since Tuesday. It's Thursday today, but still keep myself accountable. I don't know, people are probably wondering, why would you choose to film even though you're not fully 100%? And one of the other planner babes out there, Sarah from Plan Positive, she said something to me that really stuck out, and it was, be transparent about what it is that you're going through, because there's other people who are probably going through the same thing. So I am totally taking that to heart, Sarah, and just wanting to show everybody that, you know, planning is what is getting me through. Now, I feel like I need to put something on down the long sides here. I just don't know what. Oh. Now, ooh, I like this one, the one step at a time. Don't know if you guys can see that. I know my planner, my filming space isn't huge, so you guys don't really get to see the sticker book plus the space for the planner, so I do apologize for that, but I am a little bit limited on space. So let's put that down here. There we go. Make sure it is mostly straight. Yeah, sure, whatever. Okay. And I feel like this is where I could actually reflect on how I'm feeling for the week. I haven't really ever done that with this wellness planner, so I think this will be good for that. Here will be, when I say focus, it will be for sleep and water intake. So I'm gonna, well, I'm not gonna cover it up, but I'm going to use a box to label that. I'm not as familiar with this book as I'd like to be, but what if I just did the today? And actually, yeah, I don't mind it going over. I do need to white out where it says focus though, because you can definitely see that through the sticker. And I'll do that as sleep and water. And down here will be the food log. You guys can still see that. What I'm gonna do for the food log, I think I'll take one of these like washi strips, and it's not long enough. I think what I'll do is going to use that to, apologize if you guys can hear my washing machine upstairs, kind of use that going across the whole thing to separate breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, these are cute too. So maybe, like, how long is this? This be long enough to go? Actually it would, and it would look adorable. Oh yes, that is super cute, although there's that little part at the end that's gonna bother me. There we go. Oh, I like that. Now I'm not going to put that on every single one. I'm just going to put it on the two here, because I think that would look super cute. I mean, with decorating these pages, oops, I try to decorate where I can, but most of the time, most of the space is going to be used for things that I'm writing down, my meal plans or how I'm feeling. Okay, then, whoops. There are some little boxes that I could use actually down here. So maybe for exercise. Okay, I think I know what I'll do. I'm gonna rotate the color so there's a bit of a rainbow theme going on, and I don't normally do rainbow themes often, but I think it would be good in this instance. Ooh, liking it so far. that. Cute. And then the green. Oh, I like that. And blue. And then purple. And then I'll put a pink one down. Oh, I really like that. What do you guys think? That is super cute. I like the rotation of the squares or the quarter boxes. Yeah, I'm really liking that. Super simple. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. So what I'm going to do then is go ahead and fill in the first column, show you guys what I do, and then I will skip that and go skip through filling out the rest of them and then skip to the end. So what's going to go in here is my weigh-in, which will not be pretty, but it is what it is. And then every day I'm going to do my sleep score and do my water intake. And then here will be breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So breakfast, with this particular label, there isn't me basically knocking out which section is which. So what I'm gonna do, croissant. So kind of fill out the sections as I go. Then 1 pot chicken curry with noodles. I am excited for that recipe. The last time I had it, it was so good. And then dinner. What is dinner tomorrow night? Oh, dinner tomorrow night is Tuscan garlic chicken with rice. And then I'll add in snacks as I go, so I'm hoping, you know, have some after dinner, some popcorn and some Pims, relax a little bit, maybe a cinnamon bun after lunch. I'm not tracking so much to stay within my points at the moment. I felt like with everything that's been going on recently and a lot of the anxiety that I'm experiencing, I'm just trying to get by on a day-to-day basis. If I track and I'm within points, great, but I felt like I was putting so much pressure on myself recently. So I'm just gonna take it as it goes. And then in terms of exercise, I'm not gonna put anything down as of yet because, whoops, and it's not gonna be sleep either, because I'm just trying to make it day by day. So I'm just gonna put in here steps and calories. And then if I am able to do the exercise that day, great. If not, that's great too. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add a couple of nice positive quotes to kind of just help get me through the day. So I posted something on my Instagram stories last week, basically yesterday to the day I'm filming this, but when you guys see it, it'll be earlier this week. And it's basically about things that I'm still learning. So I want to write these down, and actually, because it's really, really important. So growth can still be found in stillness. So these are quotes that I'm going to look at throughout the week to kind of just help get me through. And then the second one, taking a break does not mean I'm a failure. Whoops. It would help if I knew how to, does not mean, oh boy. Does not mean I'm a failure. And I felt like I really had to remind that of myself this week. Struggling does not mean I'm failing. I think these will be so important to just remind myself, because I have such high expectations of myself. And then, let's see. Here we go. Not giving my mind time and space to recharge is unproductive. I love that. And then it is one step at a time. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of this in, and then I will show you what I've done. So there's the overall finished spread. I really like the look of it. It's still simple, cute, and there's a little bit of a rainbow spread going on here. I really like having the quotes on the side, just reminders for myself to keep going. And then I'm going to add actually a couple more florals down that way. So why not? And then one more. Maybe a bird. If I can get the bird off the thing. There we go. I really like that. Super cute. And then in terms of the dinners that I'm having, the lunch that I'm having for actually Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I can have that for 2 more days. So I'm gonna wipe this out, and it's gonna be the one pot curry, or one pot chicken curry with noodles. And I just realized, just made it today, and I forgot a very important ingredient. I forgot the Thai curry that goes, like the Thai curry paste, the red curry paste that goes in there. So after this video is done, I am going to somehow remedy that. Oh boy. But yes, I normally try and make one lunch and make it last anywhere from 4 to 5 days. And I'm on like an Asian noodle type recipe. So I have these one pot curry chicken noodles, and then I found a great recipe for cow soy, which I'm so excited to try. And then for dinners, we're having queso chicken with rice. So that is enough for 2 servings. So we're having it Sunday and Wednesday. Baked beef ziti, which we're having on Monday and Thursday. And then crack slaw with rice will be Tuesday and Friday. I've also put in here the workouts that I have from Sydney Cummings. So I follow her on YouTube. Go ahead and find her channel and subscribe, because she's fantastic. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.